Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the current state of the stock market and how it was up so much today. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ, which was up 3.69% today and 464 points up. It reached back to 13,000 and it actually saw about over 4% gain uh, in the middle of the day, but there was a little sell-off as it closed. But if we look at the NASDAQ in the last month, it's still down significantly and is looking to go back up. And also on February 4th, it was around 14,000 compared to what it is at 13,000 right now. And it was pretty predictable in the last few weeks. It was going down and then a V-shaped recovery and then selling off to end off the days. It also happened on February 4th or March 4th where there was a V-shaped recovery and then it started to sell off again. And this continuously happened for the last few weeks, but today was one of the days which it was up significantly. The thing that's actually confusing is that nothing actually was announced today in the news that could have brought the NASDAQ up this significantly today. And obviously that gives a worry to why there could be a bull trap or a fake spike in the NASDAQ, which could lead to a big fall to come. And now going into the stocks that were actually up a lot today, Arkk Innovations ETF was up 10%. I made a video on Cathie Wood's words on the current state of the market yesterday. Go check that out. I'll put it in the link in the description down below. But also we had Tesla, which was up over 20% today. But I want to remind you guys that it's still down 17% in the month. Also, obviously, its little brother NEO is up 19% following, but also is down 33% still in the last month. But another thing to note about NEO is that its market cap is only at 70 billion at the moment, and it was around 100 billion before the small crash. Another stock that was up a lot was Enphase Energy. A lot of the energy stocks were up today significantly. This one being up 12.6%. And if we look at its past month though, like a lot of the other stocks, is still down 30%. Another stock that is in the Arkk ETF is Square, which was up around 12%. And looking at their past month, they are only down 13.3% now. And now a big tech stock, Apple, was up 4% today, showing that the NASDAQ's rally up had helped the sell-off of the tech stocks. Another tech stock, Facebook, was up as well, 4.09%, as the NASDAQ was up around 4% as well. Okay, so I want to bring our attention back to Tesla, which was around $875 plus at just a couple months ago, and now has seen a significant drop to as low as $563. This is a stock that is a very high rated growth stock, so we could see that if the NASDAQ is up a lot, it will be significantly up, which it was today, up 20+%. But also, though it could be up a lot, we could see it be down significantly if the NASDAQ drops a lot too. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the current state of the stock market and NASDAQ, including the Dow Jones and S&P 500. So we saw the NASDAQ almost up 4% today, which was concerning, as we could see if it was a fake or if it could be lasting for the next couple of weeks. And the reason that this is confusing / concerning is because there was no news that actually brought up the NASDAQ. And also we see that the NASDAQ is still actually down 10% in the last month, but it kind of recovered really quickly in one day, going up 3.69%. But when we look at this, we know that today was not a buying day, unlike what we've been probably doing for the last few weeks. So this could either go two ways. Either it goes more up and up for the next couple of weeks, or we could see it drop even significantly more in the next few weeks. But right now, I'm looking to sit tight and hold my stocks, because if you bought the dip, uh, we could see it go higher and see our profits go up. Also, it's just another time that we could see what happened in fall last year. I'll pop a picture of that. And this picture really just explains how the NASDAQ actually saw a fall a little bit, not as much as we saw in February, but it saw a fall in October and then picked up a lot in November, and followed till February, early February, when it dropped again. But yeah, so we should just look out for the next few weeks. It could either go up or drop down slowly, and lose all of the gains that it had today. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want next, and I'll catch you then.